What'd you say? What? What'd you say? What? I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. What's up with you? Yeah? What are you doing? Hey, hello. Where are you guys going? What are you guys doing?
You can watch the battle royale.
There'll be songs about me, there'll be songs about you, there'll be songs about everything from money to food, but there won't be no songs of regret. 'Cause I ain't wrote no songs like that yet. No, I ain't wrote no songs like that yet. No, I ain't wrote no songs like that yet.
No, I really want. I don't want to talk to him this afternoon. Yeah. Yeah, well, whatever. Yeah, you're just like every other doctor that thinks you fucking know what the fuck. I bet you're one of them arrogant son of a bitches that think you fucking had your diagnosis and everything else before you even met her. Now tell me another. How the How can now listen? I can't help it that you guys are you guys don't do your job well enough. But you know, God did it vaccines and vaccines and telephones for entertainment. You Muslim? Hey. Come on, get over here. Get on the chair. Get on the chair. You're the run of the family. Oh no! How'd you get up here? What? You came right back up here? Hello. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Kiss? Let me get a kiss. No kiss? No kiss? No kiss? Hey. You're looking for a way to escape, huh? The best way to do it is just bow. 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 You get a butt shot, butt shot. You get a butt shot. There we go. Butt shot.